Welcome to English Conversation practice class. May I ask some questions? Yes, of course. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Do you drink tea? Yes, I drink. Do you drink alcohol? No, I don't. Do you read books? Yes, I read. Do you play football? Yes, yes, I play. Do you write letter? Yes, I write. Do you go to school? Yes, I go. Do you make food? Yes, I do. Do you sleep in the afternoon? No, I don't. Do you like chicken? Yes, I like. Do you play volleyball? No, I don't. Do you have a car? Yes, I have. Do you make videos? Yes, I do. Do you get up at 7 o'clock? No, I don't. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Do you have any questions? No, thanks. Tell us in the comment section how you feel to this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again as soon. Thank you so much.